very different smoothie. Right, easy to try. I'm starting with orange juice, and I have like about 200 grams of mango cubes here, and frozen bananas. So this is the simple smoothie, and it's very easy to make. And and for the protein, you have chia seeds. So first of all, you add the orange juice. About 250, about 3 tops or about 650 milliliters or 700 milliliters of orange juice, fresh orange juice. Then you add the mangoes. And you add the bananas. The bananas are supposed to make it so that's gives it some texture and it's creamier. And then you add the chia seeds. About 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. That's a very simple smoothie. You can make in the morning. It's quite tasty. And since you added the cold bananas, it'll gonna be a little colder. It'll be nice. So for 2 minutes, you start the blender. quite a little thick because it has bananas in it. Let's taste it. Quite tasty. It has, I think it has bananas. What's it bananas? It has the taste of these beautiful just orange juice. It has the protein of the chia seeds. It's very simple to make first in the morning. I think I found it very tasty. Well, I hope you liked this video, and thank you.